So the challenge we are asked today is how many squares of all sizes are in the diagram. Okay, so there's a hint in the question which says of all sizes, which suggests that there are more than one size of square. So let's first think about how many different sizes of square are there. Well, we can see that there is the smallest square, so that's just a simple block. That's sort of 1 by 1. Okay, there's that type. But there are also larger squares. How about 2 by 2? Right, we can see some 2 by 2 squares in this diagram for sure. Are there any more? Well, if you look carefully, you'll see that there is in fact one 3 by 3 square. So we're going to have to consider the number of 3 by 3 squares in the diagram as well. Okay, so recognizing the objects that we're going to count is half of the problem, and the other half of the problem is actually counting them up. So let's think, how many of these small squares have we got? Okay, well, we can simply count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Or we could say 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1, which gives us 15. Okay, how about the 2 by 2 squares? Well, this is a little bit more tricky. So, and the reason it's slightly trickier is that if we have one, okay, so we've got one here, okay, and we've got another one here. So that's 2. But we also have one that sort of overlaps in the middle. I'll just use another color for that. Right, so we've got a third one. Okay, and we have, if we go, so that's dealing with the bottom row. Now if we go up one row, we have, so on the bottom row we have 3. On the second row we have 1, 2. So we have 2 more. If we look at the third row, we get another 2 by 2 up here. So we get 1. And I think that's all that we can count for now. So we have 1 plus 2 plus 3. We have 6 of these. And as we discussed earlier, well, there's just one that's in a 3 by 3 grid. So the total number of squares of all sizes is 15 plus 6 is 21 plus 1 is 22. And we're done.